Go. Come on, man.
Oh my god.
You telling me, man? Go. I still love you.
You the devil. Get some help.
TNT gang! What's going on, y'all? It is a beautiful day. Yes, a beautiful day to work on the C10, y'all. Hey, today we're gonna do something very special. Something I've been holding out on for a long time, man. I've been trying to make sure it is exactly the way I want it to be. I am going to shave off the exterior mirrors on this bad boy.
My man. Good for you.
Boy, as y'all can see, I got a little overspray on here, but I shaved the holes off of there. I'm gonna keep these so I can make sure I can still have that badge on there. I might get a custom badge, but man, woo, I am so excited. So excited to bring y'all another C10 video, man. I know that's what y'all came here for, so I'm gonna stop talking and we gonna get into it. Let's go. Oh yes, and as always in Florida, once I say it's a beautiful day, it starts to rain. But hey, it's all good. We in the garage. But let me show you what I got. I got to plug up those holes. I got this fiberglass resin jelly kit. Huh? I got my, I should have cleaned this off, but I got another paintbrush. I got most of these tips from Sprayway. Hey, shout out to Sprayway. Sprayway be doing this stuff, man. He be doing it in immaculate form. If you don't know who Sprayway is, just search it in the little search of YouTube, man. Sprayway, he be doing his thing at home in his garage, nasty paint. But go check him out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your gloves, gotta have your spot putty. This is glazing putty. For at the end, I got my little spatula. Got my Scotch-Brite. This is gonna be towards the end too. You know, when I sand it down and prep it for paint and stuff like that. My bad, I didn't mean to hit y'all like that. Got an assortment of different sandpapers. Got the 80 grit, knock it down to metal. We got the 220, you know what I'm saying, to knock down some of the filler. And I got 220. Got it. Dang, I ain't know I had another 220. Oh Lord, I might have to take that back. But I got my DuraBlock to make sure I can get it as level as I can, because as you can see, this truck is square. So I just need a level surface. Well, any surface you need on a car needs to be level anyway. So I got that DuraBlock, got this big boy here. I got my lightweight filler, which most people call Bondo. You know, it's filler, whatever you want to call it, but everybody uses it, man. You paint on cars, you know what this is. Got the paint tape, painter's tape. That's pretty much it, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. I know some people, they're gonna hate this. My paint and body guys, I know. I should weld it, man, but knowing me, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna probably do it later on. I just don't know how to weld right now. Boy, I don't know if y'all heard that thunder, boy, but ooh, the Lord might not like me doing this either. But nope. I'm sorry, Lord. I gotta do it. I wanna get this thing to look smooth and shaved down. Only thing I got right here is a low spot, and I'm gonna continue to, try to see if I can block it down, get it straight as possible. Because if you don't get it straight, it's gonna show up in your paint. But what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna go ahead, move this truck over. As y'all can see, I don't have much room in here. We're gonna move it over, and we're gonna get it prepped to put this fiberglass jelly resin kit on here. So let's get going. Hey, and oh yeah, about my dancing, man, I suck. But, life is short. I'm trying to think positive. I'm trying to be happy. I'm trying to live my best life, y'all. So don't be laughing at me, man. Leave me alone. Shut your up. Dang, boy, I recorded all that, then he had a phone on.
You stupid.
But what I said was, you need to assess where you're gonna fill in the hole. And right now, it's some high spots. You wanna make all these holes low spots. I don't know where all these come from, but oh well. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this round end of this screwdriver and I'm gonna knock these ends some so they can be low spots. So when I do put the fiberglass on there and the filler, it won't be a high spot.
You smart.
So that's exactly what you want to do. You don't want to try to make this a low spot. What you really want to get is a ball peen hammer, but I ain't got now, so I'm gonna just use this. That's what I used, and I used a drill bit that was a little bit bigger so I can knock it in some. But that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that these are low spots, so when you do put the fiberglass on it, you can be straight. All right, let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
You just embarrassing yourself. They gonna hate on you, bro. They gonna hate on you, bro. I promise you, they gonna hate on you. Don't show them that. Just finesse them, boy. Just finesse them. You know what I'm saying? I love when they hate, bro. I love when they hate. Yeah. Well, guys, as I
Perfect.
well, guys, as I was beating on this, I decided to go ahead and see if I could grind it down. Go ahead and grind it down so I can get all the rust up out of here. Because if I beat it in, I might not be able to get it in there so good. So let's go ahead and grind this truck. Okay, guys, you know I'm always saying we're going to grind on the truck. We're going to literally grind on the truck.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
My bad. Oh, okay. I'm going to leave my corny jokes to myself. Let's go. All right, fellas, let me show y'all what I got going on over here. I got most of it knocked down. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but every one of these spots kind of have a indentation in it. So when I do put, you know, the fiberglass on top of it, it'll be smooth when I knock it down. I got some tape behind it so it doesn't leak through when I do put the resin jelly on there and everything. And man, this thing right here, the flap disc 80 grit, man, it knocks it down pretty good. It still has a couple of spots with a little bit of paint on it, but that's cool, man. Hey, man, I'm so thankful for this because I was using the grinder before, and what that does, it really heats up the metal too much, and you know, it kind of deforms it a little bit, man. So, hey, we making good progress, man. We're gonna knock this out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some of that resin. It's a jelly. I didn't even look at what it was. I usually use resin when I'm using fiberglass, but I got the jelly. It worked fine over there. If you guys think this ain't gonna last that long, we're gonna see, man. You know, I'm the guinea pig. You know what I'm saying? I'll take that hit. You know, if it do mess up, like I said before, we're gonna paint it again. We're gonna make sure we do it the right way, so you know, Big Red can get the love that it needs. But we're gonna go ahead and mix that up over there, and let's get rolling.
In the kitchen, cook a curry. Whip it. 30 on me, I ain't worried.
Woo, okay. Update on the finesse game 101. Yeah, finesse game 101. I put a tack coat down there first on the bare metal. Then I threw my little pieces. I cut my pieces up right here. As you can see, I cut my pieces up. Some small, some big, just to make a variety of shapes. I didn't show this because I thought my resin jelly was going to flash too quickly, but it didn't do too quick. You know what I'm saying? It's still drying now. It looks pretty ugly now.
Accurate.
Because I was just tapping it with the paintbrush to see if I could get any of the air bubbles out. I'm gonna put another layer of that fiberglass on there. and then we're gonna knock it down. I know it ain't looking too good now. It's looking all bumpy and wavy. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna look good like the other side when we done, man. I'm telling you, it's a process. As you can see, it's still those low spots. You know what I'm saying? Like we want those low spots. So when I put my next coat and then a coat of filler on there, it'll be perfectly level. I promise you, it's gonna look good, man. Trust me. I am the #1 finesser, man. I'm telling you. Shh. Just let it happen. Shh, 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 shh. Let it happen.
My name is Gomez Adams, and I have seen evil. My name is Gomez Adams. My name is Gomez Adams, and I have seen evil. My name.
Woo, 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 woo. Good gracious alive, but that was a lot of sanding. Look like I'm gonna keep getting some more right here. Try to feather that in a little bit. But yeah, I'm trying to, take off as much as I can, because y'all seen I put a little too much just for those holes. But after I get this down, knocked down to where I want it, as you can see, I guess I didn't, get all the air bubbles out of this part right here. But it's still sort of a low spot, which is good, because when I put my filler on there, I'm gonna skim over the top of, all this part right here, all this part, so that I guess it could be, even. Then I'm gonna feather it in as best I can. That's gonna be the hard part, trying to feather it in and try to make sure it just looks good as possible. But we're gonna try to do the best we can do. As you can see, oh boy, I've been sweating and slaving out here, but hey, it's a labor of love, man. It's a labor of love.
Yeah, I.
Woo! All right, guys. Like I said before, doing body work is time consuming. But I put some glazing putty on top of a couple of my low spots and a couple pinholes I had. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this down with the fine sandpaper I got. Then I'm gonna hit a filler primer on there, and then we gonna sand it down, and then that'll be our final thing. That'll be our final thing. I wonder if my lens is probably all fogged up. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Y'all can see me? Y'all see me now? All right, TNT gang, that's all I got for you today. As y'all can see, I changed my clothes. Boy, I got super dirty out here trying to get this thing looking pretty good. I think it looks pretty good for me, man, not being a paint and body guy. It's not 100% perfect, just like the rest of this truck. It's a lot of different things that need to go down to get this thing to be straight as an arrow, but I'm not doing it this time because I'm not doing a super high quality paint job this time, man. If y'all don't know, this is a budget build. I'm trying to get it to look good as best as I can, on a small budget, y'all. I just want to get this thing and roll around with it, man. I haven't drove the truck in 2 years, so I want to get it to the point where, me and my son can enjoy it. So, your paint and body guys, I'm sorry, this ain't, something that I know you guys, love to see.
Nope.
For this beautiful truck to, do something like this. But, hey, you got to give me some credit, man. Hey, it do look pretty good now. It do look pretty good. But all right, guys, that's all. Oh, man. But all right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I got to do those drip rails up here at the top. I do them the same way. I did those on the other side. I'm gonna go and knock those out. I'm gonna save y'all the time, man. I know this video may be a little bit longer, but I just wanted to bring this out for you guys. So, those people that don't know how to weld, they can make their trucks look cool, man, and not be embarrassed. I too want to get the small little mirrors. You know, I don't want the big elephant ears like I had before. I want to get the small ones. So, you know, I think that looks cooler. To me, it does personally. But, you know, to each his own. But like I said before, if you like this...
Perfect.
Not if you... Now I done ran my mouth enough, man. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. My Patreon down in the description, man. If y'all want to support the bill, help your boy out, get this thing done, get it knocked out. Also, I'm gonna put Cash Up down there. You know, ain't no.
Nani?
Also, I'm gonna put my Cash Up down there. Ain't no pressure, man. If y'all just want to help out, it's greatly appreciated for me and my son to get this project done, man, and do other things on the channel. That'll be super lit, y'all. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching. All right, guys. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!
Go.